Hello dear learners, this is Sindhu Sarkar, an English teacher, English version senior section, Milestone School and College. Welcome you all to our online class. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty and you have started this year with a good note. Dear students, if you pay attention right from the beginning of the class, you will be able to get rid of all kinds of problems that you have. Dear students, before going to start our today's lesson, I am going to ask you some questions from the previous lesson. I think you have learned the previous lesson properly, so pay attention. Okay, first question for you. He said to me, what is your name? What will be the answer? Yes, very good. He asked me what my name was. Very good. Now, second question for you. He said to me, did you buy the phone? He said to me, did you buy the phone? What will be the answer? Who can say? Yes, very good. He asked me if I had bought the phone. Okay. Now, dear students, third question for you. Look at the board. Karim said, let us go out for a walk. Karim said, let us go out for a walk. What will be the answer? Who can say? Yes, very good. As here, let indicates the proposed or suggestion. In that case, you have to use suggested or proposed. Both you can use. Okay, here. So, answer will be Karim proposed or suggested that they should go out for a walk. Now, fourth and final question for you. The teacher said, let him speak. The teacher said, let him speak. What will be the answer? Yes, very good. The teacher said that he might speak, or you can follow another way. What's the way? The teacher said that he might be allowed to speak. So here, if let indicates order, in that case you can follow this way, might or might be allowed. Okay, dear students, thank you very much for learning the previous lesson. Now I am going to start our today's lesson, that is Unit 5, Lesson 3 and 4. Okay, dear students. Okay, dear students. Now here we are starting our today's CW. Here online video class number 12. Dear students, write it down in your CW copy properly. Okay, dear students, it is must. At the top of the page, you have to write the CW number. Okay. Okay, dear students, this is mandatory. So write it first. Now we are going to start our today's CW. Okay. Today's lesson, today's topic is Unit 5 and Lesson 3. Lesson 3, You Are Beautiful Shamima. You have already got idea about You Are Beautiful Shamima in the lesson 1 and 2. We are getting more ideas. We are going to get more ideas about Shamima today in Lesson 3. Then Lesson 4. Here the lesson is about a man who loves tree. Okay, dear students. So, okay, at first we are going to start our lesson 3. In the lesson 3, before going to lesson 3, going to start our lesson 3, we should know what are the objectives of our lesson today. Our objectives are, you will be able to understand the topic properly. You will be able to know the rules of writing MCQ and question answer. At the same time, you will get MCQ and question answers from this lesson. Okay, then you will get proper idea about fill in the gaps from lesson 3 and 4, from this lesson 3 and 4, and you will get practice work from this lesson. Okay, now lesson 3. Here Shamima's misery started at the day, actually at the day when she was married. So after, when she was married, after that actually her misery started. Her husband was a greedy person and he used to abuse her verbally and physically. Within a few months into her marriage, she had to leave her husband Kamaluddin Jawadar. So actually her husband tortured her, physically and verbally, and for this reason actually she left her husband. Okay, now Shamima vows to work with women who are ill-fated like her. So actually now she takes the decision for working the woman like her. Actually, she has 43 female members in her organization. She has already started her organization, and there 43 female members are working over there, working for her. Actually, she herself trains the members and then provides them with work. Actually, she trains them by herself. Actually, she herself trains them and then involve them into the work. So actually, she is very much, she is very much capable of doing this because she has already started this type of work. She designs fabrics, block print, brush paint, and hand embroidered sarees. She also makes three-piece for dresses for women and photos for men. She sells them products. She sells these products actually in her shop and supplies them outside. So actually, she sells these products in her shop and outside of the shop also. I mean outside also, she provides this type of products actually. Okay, now Shamima has a dream now. Actually, she has a dream. She is posing a dream right now, a dream to do something for the helpless people. Now she wants to do something for the helpless people. She wants them to feel useful. Okay, they can live with self-respect and dignity, so that they can live with the self-respect and dignity. This is why she wants to involve themselves into this type of works. Okay, with this view, she goes out for such people. Okay, so for this reason, she wants to do something and she goes forward. Okay, now lesson 4. Before going to give you some questions or MCQ or question answer, we should know lesson 4. Then at a time, we will give you the question answers and other questions. So in the lesson 4, there are students who are getting more ideas. Here at the farthest corner of Bangladesh, there is a village called Tarapur. Here, this is a village Tarapur, and it is in our country. In this village, there lives a man named Kartik Paramanik. So, what we are getting? We are getting a man named Kartik Paramanik. He is a hairdresser by profession. So, by profession, he is a hairdresser, but a nature lover at heart. But actually, he is a nature lover. His passion is to plant saplings which grow into gigantic trees. Actually, he loves to plant trees, and in course of time, it grow into a gigantic trees. Okay, so this is the notion and passion of that man. I mean, from Kartik Pramanik, we get he started planting trees when he was only 10 years old. Actually, at the age of 10, he started planting trees. Okay, he remembers what his father once told him. Actually, this notion, I mean, this idea is provided by his father, and he is now nursing this idea from his father. Okay, so actually, what did his father tell him? Here, this is the speech from his father. My son, you can earn the blessings of God by planting trees. So it is told by his father. He has never forgotten what his father told him. So, you know, he obeys his father, and now he is obeying this lesson from his father properly. Actually, you should do so. I mean, what your parents say, actually, you should listen to your parents like this man. Okay, dear students. Now, at present, he is 63 years old. At present, he is 63 years old. That means, he is now est man. Okay, he has planted hundreds of trees in his village. So he has planted many trees, okay, in his village. Many of trees are now 35 to 40 years old. So can you remember? 35 to 40 years old of trees are now, uh, you know, in his village. So very gigantic trees are there and age trees. Okay. So once there were hardly any trees in this village. Actually, there were very few trees in that village, dear students. But Karthik used to go to different houses for his job. Actually, at that time, Karthik used to go to search job. Okay, at times he would get tired in the scorching heat of the sun, but there were no trees under which he could sit and rest for a while. Actually, at that time there were no trees, and he didn't get that type of opportunity to take rest under the tree. That's why, dear students, he thought in this way that trees are needed for the people, because people are suffering from the heat of the sun, and I should do something for the people. He thought in this way, and for this reason he started planting trees actually. Okay, thinking how people suffer in the heat, I have told you earlier that he thought about the people, that people are suffering like him. That's why Karthik began his tree planting mission. That's why he started his tree planting mission. Okay, occasionally Karthik would wake up early in the morning, take one or two laborers with him, and set out to plant trees. So what did he do actually? Occasionally Karthik would wake up early in the morning and take one or two laborers with him and set out plant trees. So, taking that type of man with him, he uh, started planting trees. He would actually, here, dear students, okay, dear students, he would walk long distances to plant trees, carrying with him some dry food and water. Actually, when he would go to plant trees, he would take some foods and water, with him, so that he can work properly over there. Okay, dear students, now he would pay all the expenses from his own pocket. So actually, he would pay all the expenses from his own pocket. Okay. Karthik has planted trees beside the roads in around the bazaar, schools and colleges, open fields, and many other places. So actually, beside the road, he would plant trees, and then around the bazaar, inside the places where he actually got the place for planting trees, he would plant the trees in that places actually. Okay, now at times at times it so happened that Karthik would go water his plants at 10 or 11 p.m. So look at the time, dear students, when he would go to water the plants actually at 10 or 11 p.m. The time that you go to bed actually, at that time he would go to that plants actually. Why? Because he would not get enough time, I mean, for his job. That's why he would go in that time. Okay, people asked him, Karthik, are you mad? What are you doing so late at night? Karthik would smile and say, what to do, sir? Actually, he would smile when people talked in that way. Actually, he smiled and would tell them, I have to work hard the whole day to earn money for my family. So actually, I have to work hard. He had to work hard the whole day for his family. I don't get time during the day. Actually, in the day, he didn't get enough time for nursing the trees. That's why. But my trees would die if I don't water them. He would tell the people that if I do not give water, I mean I do not provide water, or if I do not provide water properly to the trees, then they would die. Okay, so I come late at night to look after them. So whenever he is getting time, actually you are using the time, okay, and nursing them, I mean providing water to the trees at that time, okay. Okay, dear students, even today, this old man continues planting trees as many as he can. So, actually, dear students, he is planting trees more and more. At this age, he is also planting trees. Okay, so actually, he is non-stoppable in case of planting trees. Okay, a man who hardly signs his name is leaving his signature all around in nature. So, you know, we put signature here and there with the pen, but this man is not putting any signature with the pen, but he is putting signature by planting trees. So actually, it indicates that he is helping human being. I mean, the people. Okay, all the people of the world by planting trees. Okay, dear students. Now we are moving towards the next session. I mean, odd meanings or synonym. Okay, here word and synonyms from the lesson 3, ever beautiful Shamima. Then we will practice word meanings also from lesson 3 and 4 but in the later part of this class. But now we are practicing word meanings, I mean order synonyms from lesson 3, ever beautiful Shamima. First word, design, that indicates SKS. Okay, then second word, supply, that indicates provide. Then complete, that indicates finish. Then destroy, it indicates demolish. Dear students, you are getting another word here that is indicating, vision, and dream is indicating here vision. Okay, now helpless is indicating incapable. Then beauty indicates charm. Then beauty indicates charm here. Now, dear students, I'm going to give you some questions. Answer the following questions. First one, what did Shamima promise? After the odd meanings, I mean orders synonymous word, we are going to learn some questions answer. Okay, here first question for you, what did Shamima promise? You have already known it? Yes, very good. Shamima promised to work with the helpless woman. Very good. Now, dear students, second question for you. What is the target of Shamima? Can you say? Yes, very good. Shamima wants to become a famous designer, and this is the ultimate target of Shamima. You know, she suffered a lot, and now she has set new target, and she wants to become a famous designer. Okay, dear students, now I am going to give you another question from this lesson 3. This is, how does Shamima train her workers? Can you remember? Yes, very good. Here is the answer. Shamima trains her workers herself. So she herself trains her workers. And then after training, she involved them into the work. So, she is involving them into the work after the training, okay, or after training. Now, dear students, I have given you here 3 questions from lesson 3. First one is, what did Shamima promise? Then second one, what is the target of Shamima? Then third one, how does Shamima train her workers? I think, dear students, all of you have learned these questions properly and you have written in your CW copy also. Okay, dear students, now we are moving forward again. So, students, okay, now we are going to learn word meanings, I mean synonyms, word and synonyms. First one, vow, that indicates promise, okay. Now next, dignity, that indicates respect. Now, grudges, envy, that indicates
envy. Okay, now sapling, a young tree. So young tree is called sapling. It may be planted, anywhere. Okay, and these saplings are planted by Kartik. You have got the information. Then passion, that means devotion. Passion, that means devotion. Gigantic, that means very large. Gigantic means very large. Okay, that then mission. Mission indicates aim or purpose of life. Okay, students, so write it down properly in your CW copy. Okay, dear students, here you are getting some more questions. Here, guess the meaning of the following words and choose the correct meaning closest to the text. Here, first one, gigantic. Here you are getting options also here. 4 options for you. You have to write the correct one. Okay, that is related to the text. Okay, dear students, write it down in your CW copy. Then second one, expense. Here are the 4 options: expand, expansion, expression, and cost. Then third one, called. Here are the 4 options: named, calling, naming, and signed. Then mission. Mission, here are the 4 options: miss, missing, errand, and desire. And then final one, scorching, and here are the 4 options: hot, severe, serious, burning. Dear students, gigantic, in case of gigantic, what will be the answer? I think you have written all the answers properly and now match the answer with me. I am telling the answers. Gigantic, it indicates here huge. Then expense. Expense means here cost. Then called. Called means named. I think all of you have written. Then mission. Mission means errand. Then scorching. Scorching indicates here burning. So I think all of you have written the correct one, burning. Okay, dear students, now we are going for the question answer. Answer the following questions. Who is Kartik Paramanik? You have already known about the Kartik Paramanik. So Kartik, here is the answer. Kartik Paramanik is a hairdresser by profession and lover of nature at heart. So actually, by profession, he is a hairdresser and lover of nature at heart. Then, why did he plant trees? You know, why did he plant trees? We have got the idea from the passage, lesson. He planted trees to protect people from the burning sun during summer. Have you understood? Okay, I think all of you have written. Now write the answer also in your CW copy. Okay, dear students, now another question for you. Number C. When did he plant the first tree? Here, he planted the first tree at the age of 10. So actually, he started his mission, planting trees, he started at the age of 10. Okay, now D, is Kartik Paramanik a nature lover? If yes, how? Here is the answer. Yes, he is. He is a nature lover. You have also got the idea. His love for nature revealed in his planting saplings and looking after them even in late night and expending for them. Actually, he expends money for them and he loved them. He loves them very much because whenever he goes to water them at late night, it indicates that he is a nature lover. Okay, so this is the answer. So I think all of you have written the answers properly, dear students. Have you written? Okay. Now, dear students, here we are going to start our next question. This is fill in the gaps with the appropriate words. Here is the fill in the gaps. I think all of you will be able to learn it. Write down the answers properly. Okay, dear students, here the gaps. Kartik dash is tree planting mission. You have to write the Correct answer in the gaps. Occasionally, Karthik dash wake up early in the morning, take one or two dash with him and set out to plant trees. He would walk dash distances to plant trees, carrying dash him some dry food and water. Some dry food and water. Okay, dear students. So write down the meaning. So I mean write down the here correct word actually in the gap. Write down the correct words. I think all of you have written. Now match the answer with you. Here is the answer. Karthik began his tree planting mission. So what will be the answer first one? Began his tree planting mission. Then occasionally Karthik would wake up early in the morning. Then take one or two laborers with him and set out to plant trees. So in the C, gap, it will be laborers with him and set out to plant trees. Then he would walk dash. He would walk long distances to plant trees, carrying with him dry food and water. So dear students, I think all of you have written the correct answer. You have put the correct words in the gaps, I think. So first one, match it again. First one will be began. Number A, began. Number 2, Karthik would wake up early in the morning and take one or two laborers with him. So C will be laborers. And D, he would walk long distances. Okay, would walk long distances to plant trees. Carrying dash him, it will be with. So these are the answers. I think dear students, all of you have written properly. Now, dear students, I am going to give you some questions. We have already gone through the lesson 3 and 4. We have solved questions, word meanings. We have also solved the question answers. We have also, solved gap fillings. So now I am going to give you some questions so that I can say whether you have learned it properly or not. I think you will be able to answer all the questions in the feedback session that I am asking you, and you will be able to pay attention properly and you will be able to get the answers properly. Okay, dear students, so pay attention and give the answers properly. In the feedback session, I am going to ask you some questions. Okay, dear students. So here, these are the questions I am giving you. Here, these are.
Now, dear students, in the feedback session, I am going to ask you some questions. I think you have learned the lesson properly today and you will give me the answer properly. Okay, dear students, now look at the board. Okay, dear students, in the feedback session, first question for you. What does Shamima dream now? Then second question for you. What are the things that are produced in her organization? In Shamima's organization. Now, third question for you. Why did Shamima leave her husband? And fourth and final question for you. Why did Karthik Paramanik plant trees? I think all you will be able to tell me the answer, and at the same time I am going to write the answer also. Okay, dear students. So dear students, look at the answer. Answer of the first question, what does Shamima dream now? Shamima dreams to do something for the helpless people. Okay, yes. Now, what are the things that are produced in her organization? In the Shamima's organization. Design fabrics, block print, brush paint, hand embroidered sarees, 3-piece for women and 4-piece for men are produced in the organization of Shamima. Okay. Now, third question, answer of the third question. Why did Shamima leave her husband? You have already got the idea. Yes, Shamima left her husband because he used to abuse her verbally and physically. That's why she left her husband. Okay. That's why she left her husband. Okay, now, why did Kartik Puramanik plant trees? Yes, this is the answer. Kartik Puramanik planted trees to protect people from the burning sun during summer. Okay, dear students, I think you have done well and you have learned all the answers properly and you have cooperated me well today. Now, I am going to give you diary. Dear students, now write diary. Today, SW number 6, page number 52 from your EFT book. From your EFT book, and in the section D, you will get 4 questions. This is learn plus write. This is learn plus write, and at the same time, you will learn a paragraph, that is a global village. A global village. This is learn. Okay, dear students, so I think all of you have done well today and you have cooperated with me properly, and thank you very much for cooperating me and joining the class. Thank you all. See you again.